Welcome back, everybody, for another deep dive into AI.
We're taking a look today at AI Brief Episode 9,
It's packed with updates.
about AI making its way into everyday tools and workflows.
I'm Amin.
I'm Leah, and
Get ready for some surprising funding news.
a glimpse into the future of AI reasoning.
So the first thing that jumped out at me is that ChatGPT
Yeah,
is breaking free from the browser.
that's right. It's not confined to just the browser anymore.
It's integrating with
PC and Mac applications.
like coding tools,
terminals,
note-taking apps.
all sorts of things.
This seems like a really big shift.
It is AI becoming a more integrated part of our digital lives.
What do you think of the implications of this?
Well, I think it has the potential to really boost productivity.
Yeah.
If you think about it now, ChatGPT can interact with all these different apps. It can pull context from everything you're doing.
So it can provide more insightful responses and assistance.
It's-
I'm just imagining, like, how many times do I have to switch between different applications to, like, get information
Right.
or to complete a task?
Or to copy and paste things.
And now, if this is all integrated, it's like having an assistant
It
who
is.
can do all of that for you.
And it's not just individual productivity.
Yeah.
Think about collaboration.
Oh, yeah.
Teams working on projects with AI seamlessly woven into their workflows.
That's a good point.
Imagine the possibilities there.
Yeah, it really makes you think about the future of software.
It does.
Is AI just going to be a standard feature
I think so.
rather than a separate tool?
Yeah, it seems like it's heading in that direction.
And you know what else is making waves in the AI world?
What's that?
Perplexity AI.
Oh, yes.
This OpenAI competitor just secured a massive $500 million in funding,
That's right.
giving it a valuation of $9 billion.
A lot of money.
So what makes Perplexity so special?
Well, for one thing, they just acquired a company called Carbon, which specializes in connecting AI systems to external data sources.
So their AI models will have access to a huge amount of information.
A vast and constantly updating tool of information.
So that means,
It means Perplexity is positioning itself as a major player
wow.
in the AI field, potentially challenging OpenAI's dominance.
It sounds like we're seeing the beginnings of an AI arms race.
Maybe we are, with companies competing for funding and access to data.
It'll be interesting to see how this plays out.
Absolutely. And speaking of innovation,
Yeah.
Google's been busy as well.
Oh, yeah, Google.
They've unveiled a new experimental AI called Gemini 2.0,
Gemini.
Flash Thinking Experimental.
Okay, that sounds
It's generating a lot of buzz
interesting.
because it has a unique approach to reasoning and fact-checking.
I'm curious, what's
Yeah.
this flash thinking all about?
Well, it's kind of a departure from the typical AI development focus on speed.
Okay, so it's not just about speed.
No, it's actually designed to slow down its processing deliberately.
Really?
Yeah.
Why would they do that?
So it can focus on thoroughly analyzing information and verifying its own conclusions.
So it's more about accuracy
Exactly.
than just speed.
Precisely. And what's really fascinating
Yeah.
is that despite this deliberate slowdown,
Okay.
it's still significantly faster than other reasoning models.
So it's like they found this perfect balance.
Yeah, the sweet spot between speed and accuracy.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
So Google's trying to change things up here.
it seems like it. And you know what else is interesting?
What's that?
They're making Gemini freely available
Really?
through various platforms.
So that's a big contrast to OpenAI.
It is. OpenAI is increasing prices for their top-tier models.
Yeah, it's an interesting strategic move.
It is.
It seems like Google is betting on accessibility
Yeah.
to attract developers and users.
It'll be fascinating to see how this plays out. And
Yeah.
for developers specifically,
Yeah.
there's another big piece of news.
Okay, tell me more.
GitHub Copilot, the AI-powered coding assistant, is now offering a free version.
That's awesome.
It is.
So now even more developers can experience the benefits of AI assistance.
Exactly, without having to commit to a paid subscription.
What are the limitations of the free version, though?
Well, you still get access to core features,
Right.
like extensions and skills,
Mm-hmm.
but there is a cap of 2,000 code completions per month.
Okay, so you can still get a lot done.
Oh, absolutely. It's a fantastic way to dip your toes into the world of AI-powered coding.
It's like having a junior developer by your side,
It is.
helping you write cleaner, more efficient code.
Yeah, it's really democratizing access to this technology.
And speaking of democratizing access, let's talk about Grammarly,
Oh, yes, Grammarly.
which has been helping people write better for years.
Yeah.
They've just made a surprising move.
What's that?
They acquired a productivity startup called Coda.
Wow. That is interesting.
This seems to signal a shift.
In Grammarly's
They're
ambitions.
moving beyond just writing assistants.
Right into the broader productivity market.
So they already have a powerful AI engine that understands language and communication,
Uh-huh.
and now they're combining that with Coda's capabilities.
In task management, project collaboration, document creation.
So you can imagine an AI-powered platform
Yeah,
that not only helps you write better,
but also manages your entire workflow.
it's a pretty compelling vision.
It is, and it speaks to a larger trend we're seeing,
What's that?
the move toward integrated platforms
Okay.
that address a wider range of needs.
So AI is not just about single-use tools anymore.
Right. It's becoming a foundational layer across our digital lives.
So before we move on to the rest of the news from AI Brief Episode 9,
Yeah.
I want to pause for a second and ask you, the listener,
Okay.
what are your thoughts on AI becoming so deeply integrated into our lives?
Yeah.
Is it exciting, concerning, or a bit of both?
It's definitely something to think about.
Yeah, it's a question worth pondering
Definitely.
as we explore this rapidly evolving landscape.
Absolutely. I think it's a mix of both excitement and concern.
Yeah. It's like a double-edged sword, right?
Exactly. On the one hand,
Uh,
AI has this enormous potential.
yeah, to like help us be more efficient, communicate better, maybe even make better decisions.
Exactly. But on the other hand,
Yeah.
there are valid concerns about data privacy,
Mm-hmm.
algorithmic bias, and how AI might be used to harm people.
Yeah, I mean, it's important to have those conversations.
Definitely, we need to approach AI development ethically.
It's also important to acknowledge, though, that AI is already part of our lives.
That's true. We often don't even realize it.
Yeah, like AI-powered recommendations, search results, even spam filters.
Exactly. Those are all examples of how AI is shaping our digital experiences.
And as AI keeps advancing, it's going to play an even bigger role.
Absolutely. So we need to make sure these advancements are guided by human values.
Okay, so getting back to the news from AI Brief, Episode 9.
Okay.
There's a lot of buzz about all the different AI tools.
Oh, yeah. There's a ton of innovation happening.
Yeah, we talked about ChatGPT and Perplexity, but there's so much more.
Like what?
Well, for example, there's Domo AI.
Domo AI.
They're focused on providing secure and flexible AI solutions for businesses.
Okay, interesting.
And on the creator side, there's Wix Studio.
Wix Studio.
They're using AI to change up design workflows.
So you could create visuals and animations without any coding experience.
That's pretty cool.
It is. It's like AI is making complex tasks accessible to everyone.
Yeah.
And then there's 11 Labs.
Okay.
Their technology lets you create natural-sounding AI voices in any language.
That could be really useful for video creators,
Yeah.
podcasters, anyone who needs high-quality audio.
Absolutely. And then there's Vina Insights.
Vina Insights.
They use AI to transform business planning through analytics.
So it's about helping businesses make data-driven decisions.
Exactly. And for developers,
Mm-hmm.
Kling AI v1.6, a popular video generation tool, has been updated.
Okay, let's new.
They have improved prompt adherence and professional modes.
So it seems like AI is being incorporated into every industry.
Yeah, even education. Jabera, a free online platform, is using AI to make learning math more engaging.
So AI can actually enhance education.
Exactly. Make it more accessible to everyone.
And finally, there's Zeta.io.
Zeta.io.
This AI tool is designed for B2B and SaaS companies.
Okay. What does it do?
It helps businesses uncover customer problems, make decisions, and create roadmaps.
So AI is being applied to so many different
It
challenges.
really is. It's not a niche technology anymore.
It's becoming a part of how we live, work, and interact with the world.
So as we wrap up this part of our deep dive into AI Brief, Episode 9,
Yeah.
I want to turn the focus back to you, the listener.
Okay.
What stood out to you the most from all of this?
Yeah. What are you excited about or maybe apprehensive about?
Take a moment to think about those questions as we get ready for our final segment. We've covered a lot of ground today.
We have from ChatGPT in our apps to Perplexity AI as a potential open AI rival.
Google is pushing the boundaries too.
They are with Gemini.
And it's free.
That's right.
Plus, we've seen all these different AI tools popping up.
In all sorts of
It
industries.
really seems like AI is going to be everywhere.
It does in every aspect of our lives.
So let's go back to that question we asked earlier.
Okay.
What area of your life would you like to see AI improve?
What would you like to see change?
Think about the challenges you face, the problems you encounter.
Even the things that you wish were just a little bit easier.
Could AI help with those?
Could it make things simpler or open up new possibilities?
The possibilities are really endless.
They are.
Maybe you're passionate about healthcare and you want AI to help diagnose diseases sooner.
Or maybe you're an educator who wants to use AI to create more engaging lessons.
Whatever your interests are.
There's probably a way that AI can make a difference.
Maybe you'll even be the one to develop that groundbreaking AI solution.
That would be awesome.
We hope this deep dive into AI Brief Episode 9 has sparked your curiosity.
And given you a glimpse of what AI can do.
It's a rapidly changing field,
It is.
so it's important to stay informed. Be sure to check out the show notes for all the links and resources we talked about.
And if you enjoyed this exploration of the AI world,
Please share it with your friends.
and follow the podcast for more deep dives.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.